DEEBOT U2 family.
I am starting the clean.
Now it's my turn. First, something easy. Debris and dirt, piece of cake. Max Plus mode handles larger debris. Dried stains, mop it up, no problem. With the large dustbin and reservoir, I can vacuum and mop your entire home in one go with minimal supervision. Hard floor mode follows an advanced back and forth cleaning pattern. And here's a surprise. Dog hair or cat hair doesn't matter. With the new pet care kit that comes with extra large dustbin that holds 800 milliliters and a tangle-free brush that prevents tangling. It's my talent to deal with pet hair. Plus, I can work tirelessly for 150 minutes and will automatically return to my charging station so that you don't have to worry. DEEBOT U2 Family 2020 launch. Even your pet says yes.